Good evening, hello and welcome. You're watching Times Now. My name is Pranesh. Is only the Hindu faith viewer open to attacks, ridicule and review? Netas who mock the faith are defiant, unrepentant, unabashed in their insult of Hindu Astha. It's not one or two, but three netas of the JDU and the RJD who have over the last 3-4 days insulted Sanatan Dharma. The latest in this list is RJD's Shivanand Tiwari, who claimed that there's garbage or kuda kachra, as he puts it, in the Ramayana.
हम जो है इस बयान से इत्तेफाक इस मामले में रखते हैं जो इन्होंने जगता भाई ने कहा कि इसमें हीरा मोती भी है और कूड़ा कचरा भी है, लेकिन ये भी कहा उन्होंने कि कूड़ा कचरा बहारने के चक्कर में हम लोग हीरा मोती नहीं बहारते। तो अगर हम इस तरह की बात करेंगे कि रामायण सिर्फ घृणा फैलाता है, तो मैं व्यक्तिगत रूप से उस राय के साथ सहमत नहीं हूं और हमको नहीं लगता है कि पार्टी के अंदर इस मामले में विचार हुआ है कि पार्टी जो है इसका समर्थन करेगी।
Now don't be surprised by what he is saying, because there is a pattern to this. Jagdanand Singh and also a minister, Mr. Chandrasekhar, have not just mocked the Ram Mandir and the Ramcharitmanas, but when they were confronted, they were defiant. You have to listen to what they said to believe it.
जहाँ नफरत की जमीन पर राम के मंदिर का निर्माण हो रहा है, जहाँ की अब इंसानियत से बड़ा इस भारत में उन्मादियों के अब राम बचेंगे। अब लोगों के, गरीबों के, झोपड़ी वालों के, तुलसी के राम, अयोध्या के राम, सबरी की जूठन बैल खाने वाले राम अब भारत में नहीं, बल्कि पत्थरों के भीतर एक कैद केवल राम रहेंगे, बाकी सब जगह से राम खत्म हो गए।
मैं 100% कायम हूँ। संपूर्ण नारी जाति को काट करके जिस ग्रंथ ने रखा है उसके उस छंद का विरोध होना चाहिए। मैं हर समय विरोध में खड़ा हूँ। मैं ये कहता हूँ कि रामचरितमानस के जो ये छंद है, उत्तरकांड के, सुंदरकांड के जो ये छंद है, वो विरोध के लायक है। मुख्यमंत्री जीतन राम मांझी मधुबनी के दुर्गा मंदिर में गए पूजा करने, 6 साल हुआ है भाई, मुख्यमंत्री गए और आपने उसको गंगा जल से धो दिया। ये चला है संघर्ष। इसलिए 3000 साल पहले मनुस्मृति के जो ये छंद हैं जाति के नाम पर अपमान का, इसका विरोध होना चाहिए। रामचरितमानस में जो ये छंद है उत्तरकांड, सुंदरकांड के, अरण्यकांड के, इसका विरोध होना चाहिए।
Now you've heard the three comments, viewers. The BJP has lashed out at the so-called secular ecosystem and is questioning their secular hypocrisy.
Once again, the RJD has shown its true face. The kind of statement that has been made this time by Shivanand Tiwari, who says that Ramayana has Hira Moti and it also has Kuda Karkat, Kachra in it. This is the most shocking, obnoxious and hurtful statement that could be made. While defending the statement of the RJD Education Minister, who said that Ramcharitmanas was a Nafrati Granth. Before this, Jagdanand Singh said that Ram Janmabhoomi is a Nafrat ki Zameen. This is not a coincidence. It is not a Sahyog. It is a deliberate prayog to hurt the Hindu Astha. Hindu Astha par karo chot taki mile vote bank ka vote. Can this be said about any other religious text, about any other religious place? No, never. But why is the attack being done on Hindus time and again?
Quickly, Sanju Verma, the spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party, the national spokesperson of the BJP, Abhishek Jha, spokesperson of the JDU, Ajia Yadav, spokesperson of the RJD, and Dushyant Nagar completes the panel. He's a political analyst. Good evening to all of you. Ajia Yadav, I want to begin by asking you, you heard the three comments, ma'am. What do you think they meant?
Yes. See, if you listen to what Jagdanand Babu had to say, or Shivanand Tiwari had to say, or Education Minister had to say, there is one similarity. He said, of course, Ramcharitmanas is a holy book, it's a religious book. At the same time, it is one of the best literatures that we have. Students of Hindi literature, they have to study Ramayana as in the syllabus. And now even Madhya Pradesh government, they are trying to put Ramayana in the syllabus. So of course, we have Ram. and he represents an epitome of goodness, of virtue, of morality, everything. But at the same time, we should not forget that in this literature, in this epic, there are certain things that actually is obnoxious. If you go through the literature, if you go through this religious text, you will see how many times the word Shudra has been used. In fact, they have also spoken about the physically challenged, whom we call specially challenged. And it is an abuse.
You know, I am so happy, Ajay Yadav, that you've said what you've said.
Look at what the
Ajay Yadav, you know, principally you've taken a stand, and I hope you stick to this throughout the show, because I am going to put you to test. Sanju Verma, I am coming to you. I just have a straightforward question to ask. Do you know of this man called Wasim Rizvi?
I'm not going to retract from my words.
Great.
I will definitely stick to what I have to say.
I am so happy to hear that.
Please let me complete. If you give me 1 minute more, I have few more things to say.
Okay, ma'am.
See, and at the same time, you know, yes, please let me complete. There are few more things that I would like to say. Like, for example, for women, what are they saying? Dhol, Gawar, Shudra, Pashu, Nari. Shudra, Pashu, Nari, Sakal Taran ke Adhikari. I mean, why are they putting everything in one bracket, whether it's animal, whether it's Shudra, whether it's Nari? That means there was a very strict caste system where Shudra, they were untouchables, women who were untouchables, and they were all put, whether animals. Now we talk of protecting the animals as well, but at that time, what was the condition? Forget about the animals, about Shudra and about Nari. There's a quote from Ahilya where she says, Nari to agyani hoti hai. I asked, there are other panelists, there are female women panelists, do they find it pleasant to hear that Nari agyani hoti hai? Are we agyani? Indira Gandhi was agyani. Kalpana Chawla was agyani. My co-panelist sitting in this panel, is she agyani? Am I agyani? How can you make a universal statement, Mahila to agyani hoti hai? So there are certain things, of course, must be contradicted, and we should take this positively. It is also a literature.
I hope now that I've heard you patiently, Miss Yadav, I am sure you will allow me to ask you a direct question.
Yes, okay, thank you.
Do you know of this individual called Wasim Rizvi? Have you heard his name?
I'm sorry?
He was the former chairman of the Shia Central Waqf Board in Uttar Pradesh, Wasim Rizvi. Do you know what happened to him after he made a demand? Let me first tell you what the demand was.
Yes, please continue.
He said that I want to create a new holy book excluding 26 verses. He wanted 26 verses excluded. Will you go into the detail like you just did about this holy book?
Yes.
And talk about that? Do you know what happened to Wasim Rizvi?
Yes.
He got death threats, ma'am. The Sartan lobby went after Wasim Rizvi.
I tell you,
this is the problem.
Isn't it unfortunate?
One faith, unfortunately, in this country has become, Miss Yadav, now listen to me. One faith in this country has become the punching bag in the name of secularism. If you believe that these three individuals whose bites I just played out, if they can get away, it explains the theory that you can, get away by abusing the Hindu faith, Hindu Astha. It does not matter. Sanju Verma.
Yes. Pradesh, let's be very clear. Now, madam, I did not heckle you. Please let me finish.
Is it a threat in an
national
channel that I should...
This is not your turn. Can you please hold your horses now?
That I should not discuss...
Why is this lady hell-bent on gambling?
Miss Yadav, I gave you time. Let Sanju Verma now make her point. I'll come back to you for a response.
Yes. Pradesh, first and foremost, we do not need any gyan, any lectures on Hinduism, Hindutva, on Manusmriti, on Ramcharitmanas, on Ram Mandir from pseudo-seculars either in the JDU or in the Congress or in the RJD. Point number 2, be it Jagdanand Singh, be it Shivanand Tiwari, or be it the Education Minister, so-called Professor Chandra Shekhar. Look at the language used by these people. एक होती है भाषा की गरिमा, भाषा की मर्यादा. It is said that discretion is the better part of valor. And what is the language used by Chandrasekhar, the education minister of Bihar? Ramcharitmanas is a hate-filled propagandist book which abets and encourages casteism and caste-based discrimination. ये एक नफरती किताब है, कचरे से भरपूर है. These are the words used by Chandrasekhar. शिवानंद तिवारी हो, जगदानंद सिंह हो, ये सबकी भाषा. I ask the RJD panelists here, will Shivanand Tiwari, will Chandrasekhar, the education minister of Bihar, have the audacity, the guts to use these kind of words for the Asmani Kitab? Asmani Kitab, Surah number 328, Asmani Kitab, Surah number 4828, Asmani Kitab, Surah number 228. क्या कहता है? Allah is the only God. Those who do not believe in Allah are kafirs, and every Muslim should do everything in his or her capacity to ensure that the all prevalent nature of Allah prevails, because he is the only one who needs to be believed. But कभी इनकी हिम्मत होगी कि आसमानी किताब के बारे में?
Would you like to answer, Ejia Yadav? Would you like to answer that, ma'am?
Yes, of course. Yes, with due respect, I'll address the lady on the panel as my co-panelist and not as she said, will you ask that lady to keep quiet? I'm also one of the co-panelists here. And if you have to talk about languages, of course, we must be polite and address each other very politely. But let me continue on the topic now. Just now I heard there was no casteism, this and that. But I would like to quote few words from Ramayana. Yes, it's okay. Even I don't want to hear lecture from you. If you find my words as lecture, I find it as lecture too.
Now, ladies, let's get back to what we are discussing. Please, we are discussing something very serious. Let's get back to discussing what we are.
Why is this interruption?
Now, Sanju Verma, let her respond. Let her respond. Let's not talk over each other, please. You asked a question. Ejia Yadav is now responding. Yes, Miss Yadav, make your point. Yes.
Yes. Okay, there are again few words from the Ramayana, which Professor Chandrasekhar forgot to quote that I am quoting. Kane khore kuber kutil kuwali jani. And he addresses them as, these are all specially challenged people who we give special privileges in our Samvidhan, in our constitution. And this is how it is addressed in the Ramayana for those who are physically challenged.
The point that I asked you, there are other holy books. Do you think there are other holy books?
Abusive?
Now, do you think there are other holy books on the in the planet? Will you talk about them? Or this outrage is reserved for only one holy book?
Hindu books. I was told that I was told I have to discuss on this holy book on this debate, so I am discussing.
No, but on a matter of principle.
I was not told that I have to discuss on Quran and Bible as well. I am so sorry.
Had you been told, you would not have come?
Yes, on the matter of principle, these are the few things that must be discussed.
Then discuss it. Sanju Verma, Sanju Verma spoke about the kitab and quoted verses. Let's have a discussion then.
Yes. I am also quoting verses from Ramayana, that I know.
You see, that's the problem. You don't even want to listen to.
But I know these verses from Ramayana, and so I am quoting.
Miss Yadav, I began by saying that Sanatan Dharma, the Hindu Asta, has become a punching bag. Which is why there's a situation that you get away by saying anything.
Yes.
You can ridicule the faith, the devotees, and still be called a secular. Let me bring in the others. Abhishek Jha, spokesperson of the JDU, is with us.
I am not saying anything. Yes, this is not a punching bag. If I am quoting,
now let me bring in the others. Now, please, Sanju Verma, Ejia Yadav, I began the show with both of you. Let me bring in Abhishek Jha, the spokesperson of Miss Yadav. Now, calm down. 1 minute. Calm down. Abhishek Jha, spokesperson of the JDU, is finally with us. Abhishek Jha, do you endorse the comments made by Chandrasekhar, Jagdanand Singh, and Mr. Tiwari?
See, we strongly condemn the statements made by the Education Minister of Bihar, Chandrasekhar.
1 minute.
And
1 minute, Mr. Jha. Let's go one by one. Why do you condemn the statement made by Chandrasekhar ji?
See, we have always said that we believe that having faith in any religion is an individual's choice. And in a democratic country like India, the constitution gives this right to every individual. And Honorable Nitish Kumar ji has created an atmosphere in Bihar in which a person having faith in any religion or coming from any caste.
This atmosphere, Mr. Jha, I'm
freely.
sorry I'm interrupting you continuously. I'm sorry. This is only because, you know, I'm curious to know why you are saying what you are saying. Because you heard your ally, Ejia Yadav, the spokesperson of the RJD, she has different views. Yet both of you share power, and you are talking about this atmosphere that Chief Minister Nitish Kumar has created.
It is a truth that we are into a strong alliance and in the form of Mahagathbandhan, and we are into the government as well. But on this issue, our ways are far apart.
Okay.
Our senior leaders, if you talk about our national president,
Right,
talk
which
about
means
other
you are
senior leaders in the
condemning
party,
you
they
are
have been
condemning
there.
what Chandrasekhar said.
This is
Let
not
me ask you about
appropriate. Yes.
Jagdanand Singh, party, your government. ये तो contradiction
We
में यहाँ
are-
हो गया.
नहीं उसको उस हिसाब से आप नहीं ले सकते. The thing is that we are two different parties. In fact, there are 7 parties in the form of Mahagathbandhan, and Honorable Nitish Kumar is the leader of Mahagathbandhan.
Okay, now Mr.
But on
Jha,
different
allow
issues,
me
we
to
can have
ask you
different
this.
things.
Two different parties, one Mahagathbandhan. Is this Mahagathbandhan truly secular?
We have secular thoughts, and we have always shown respect towards every religion.
Okay,
But
so if you are not
any
agreeing
statement
with
is made against-
the RJD, which means that RJD is clearly not secular.
See, I cannot comment on that because they have always presented that they are secular. They want to work for social
Oh my
justice.
God.
They have
Punish
proved
me,
it many a times as well.
How is this
I
social
would
justice,
like-
sir?
I
आप
would like-
बताइए, हिंदू आस्था को गाली देना, नफरत की जमीन, रामचरितमानस हेट, कूड़ा कचरा, ये सोशल जस्टिस कैसे हुआ?
उनकी पार्टी की आइडियोलॉजी को अगर आप पढ़ें, आप जानें, आप लालू जी की विचारधारा को समझे, तो हमेशा उन्होंने इसी बात को कहा. और उनकी पार्टी के एक नेता ने इस बात को कहा है. अभी भी हम लोगों को पूर्ण विश्वास है कि जब उनकी पार्टी के शीर्ष नेतृत्व इन बातों पर अपनी राय रख रहे होंगे, तो उनकी राय इन चीजों से अलग होगी. इस बात को हम लोग मानते हैं.
और मिस्टर झा, अगर अलग नहीं हुई तो क्या आप अलग होंगे? अगर राय अलग नहीं हुई तो क्या आप अलग
हम
होंगे?
ऐसा क्यों माने कि आरजेडी इसी कंक्लूजन तक पहुंचेगी? You must have
अच्छा,
heard the
ठीक है,
statement
नहीं
of the
मानते,
national vice
नहीं
president
मानते,
Shivanand
मत
Tiwari.
मानिए मिस्टर झा, मत मानिए. You're a reasonable man. You've taken a position. I'm glad. Dushyant Nagar, I'm coming to you. Sanju Verma, I'm just coming to you. Let me just take in a quick question with Dushyant Nagar. He has been listening to this intently. नागर साहब, आपने तो सुना, बयान भी सुने, और जो प्रवक्ता बैठे हैं पार्टी के, कांग्रेस पार्टी भी है इसी महागठबंधन में, सेक्युलर महागठबंधन. तो आप अभी एजिया यादव के सपोर्ट में बोलेंगे या अभिषेक झा के सपोर्ट में बोलेंगे? आप तो फंस गए नागर साहब.
देखिए, फंसने वाली कोई बात नहीं है. हमारा रामचरितमानस में अटूट श्रद्धा है और भगवान श्री राम में अपार श्रद्धा है. राम और रामचरितमानस करोड़ों भारतीयों के आस्था का केंद्र है. लेकिन यहाँ पे बात आस्था की नहीं है. आस्था पे सवाल नहीं उठाया. शिवानंद तिवारी का पूरा बयान आप सुनिए. शिवानंद तिवारी जी ने कहा है कि पार्टी में इस पे कोई चर्चा नहीं हुई है और हमारी सबकी आस्था रामचरितमानस में है. लेकिन जो डिबेट का विषय है, वो डिबेट का विषय कहां से शुरू होता है?
अच्छा, कूड़ा करकट क्या किसी और ने डाल दिया है क्या? ये शिवानंद तिवारी ने नहीं बोला.
जो एक नहीं, सुन तो लीजिए मेरी बात को.
मैंने तो सुना हुआ है नागर साहब, इसीलिए पूछ रहा हूं. शायद आपने बयान नहीं सुना.
डिबेट शुरू
ये
यहां
कूड़ा
से हुई
करकट क्या है?
डिबेट शुरू यहां से हुई जब माननीय शिक्षा मंत्री जी ने कहा कि क्या एक वर्ग में, एक जाति विशेष में जन्म लेने वाला व्यक्ति अयोग्य होने के बाद भी क्या आदर का पात्र है? क्या उसकी शिक्षाओं को ग्रहण किया जा सकता है? और दूसरी तरफ एक शिक्षित, ज्ञानी, विद्वान व्यक्ति अगर किसी नीच जाति में कथित रूप से पैदा हुआ है तो वो उस आदर और सम्मान का पात्र नहीं है. बात इतनी सी है, बहुत सिंपल है.
संजू वर्मा,
इसके ऊपर
we are back to it. Dushyan Nagar is saying what's wrong in the comments made.
भगवान राम का,
He was only trying to
चरित्र के ऊपर,
दुष्यंत जी,
भगवान राम के
दुष्यंत जी,
चरित्र पर
मैंने आपकी बातें सुनी.
रामचरित्र
आप डिफेंड भी कर रहे हैं. संजू वर्मा,
You know, Pranesh, one thing which you've highlighted throughout the day, and I want to reinforce, is the fact that some of the cabinet ministers of the Nitish Kumar-led government in Bihar have themselves unanimously condemned the condemnable statements and the reprehensible statements by Chandrasekhar, including Upendra Kushwaha of the Rashtriya Lok Samata Party, a close confidant of Nitish Kumar, a close ally, and the Adhyaksh of their संसदीय बोर्ड. उन्होंने साफ शब्दों में खुशवाहा साहब ने कहा है कि जो चंद्रशेखर ने बयान दिया है हम उसको नहीं मानते. यहां तक कि नीतीश कुमार की कैबिनेट के और एक मंत्री अशोक चौधरी ने भी चंद्रशेखर और शिवानंद तिवारी के बयान का खंडन किया है कड़वे शब्दों में. सो फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट लेट्स बी वेरी क्लियर कि शिवानंद तिवारी और प्रोफेसर चंद्रशेखर ने जो बयानबाजी की, उनको लगा कि भाई हम कुछ बोल देंगे और हमें शाबाशी मिलेगी, लोग हमारी पीठ थपथपाएंगे, पर ऐसा नहीं हुआ. सो आई एम नॉट सरप्राइज्ड दैट टुडे द allies of the Nitish Kumar government, the panelists sitting here, are all talking in different voices, because clearly on this particular issue there are many people within the Nitish Kumar cabinet who have expressed strong condemnation of the distasteful remarks by Chandrasekhar. Point number 1. तो कोalition में गड़बड़ चालू हो गई है. पॉइंट नंबर 2, चंद्रशेखर का ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड देखिए. ये अपने आप को प्रोफेसर कहते हैं. इन February 2019 प्रोफेसर चंद्रशेखर was arrested under the Arms Act for carrying 10 live cartridges at the Indira Gandhi International Airport. Pranesh, just in 10 seconds I want to ask you, the case against Professor Chandrasekhar has still not been done rafa dafa. He's still on trial.
Sanju Verma, while what you are saying, I understand what you are saying. The larger point still remains. I am shocked by the lack of outrage of this so-called secular ecosystem.
To on the debate, she is trying to get Chandrasekhar.
And we've actually, unfortunately, run out of time. I thank all of you for joining us on this. We've run out of time. Sanju Verma, Ajay Yadav, Abhishek Jha, Dushyant Nagar, thank you for joining us on this. Let's see whether Nitish Kumar takes action, or let's see whether Tejashwi Yadav, as Mr. Jha is hopeful, takes a stand and this Hindu bashing stops and is punished. Taking a quick break, lots more lined up on Times Now. Stay with us.